Hello, and a very warm welcome to all of you for our webinar today on cloud computing trends in healthcare. I am truly excited to walk you through the latest innovations that are reshaping our healthcare industry. So, our today's agenda is packed with thought provoking discussions. Firstly, we will delve into how cloud infrastructure is enhancing patient care and making healthcare organizations run more smoothly with the help of IoMT devices and applications. Next, we will look at the pivotal role of AI predicting healthcare trends, advancing medical research, and tailoring patient treatment plans. Finally, we will explore how the combination of cloud computing and blockchain is addressing the critical issues of data security and adherence to the healthcare laws. As we journey through these topics, I encourage you to ponder the immense potential and allow the hurdles these technologies may put forth. Our aim is not just to share the knowledge, but to spark a meaningful participation about how technology is shaping the future of healthcare services. So, now let's get started. Let's dive into our first topic, which is integrating cloud computing with Internet of Medical Things. Well, understanding the choices between infrastructure as a service or platform as a service or even software as a service is like picking the right tools for a job. It all depends what the healthcare setup needs. Whereas infrastructure as a service gives us the control of hardwares, similarly, platform as a service here offers a platform to create and run the applications. Side by side, software as a service is all about using the software over the internet. So it's about picking the right fit for the healthcare provider's goals, their tech know-how, and the rules they need to follow. Choosing the right service provider is like finding reliable partner who knows the healthcare field and sticks to the strict rules and safety standards. They must treat patient data with utmost care and offer services that fit within the legal boundaries. Understanding how data moves between IoMT devices and the cloud is also essential. We need smooth and secure transfer of information from devices to the cloud and then back to the healthcare workers and patients to make sure everyone gets the insights they need to make good health discussions. For network infrastructure and protocols, the focus is on having secure network that can manage lots of data safely. We can use standardized protocols like MQTT and HL7, which helps different systems talk each other easily. Also, APIs are super important here to make sure the cloud and healthcare system like electronic health records or in short EHRs work together well. Disaster recovery and business continuity are about being ready for any mishap. This means having backup plans and keeping a close eye on how the system is doing to quickly fix any kind of problem that may occur, which makes patient care better. This should be an ongoing effort that keeps improving over time. Data security measures are also crucial here. We need strong protection and access rules to keep patient information safe and at the same time private. It's also about always following healthcare rules to keep the system trustworthy. Lastly, user training and support is all about giving the people who use the system and know how and help they need and using their feedback to make the system better and better each and every day. So, in short, bringing the cloud and IoMT together promises to make healthcare more efficient and improve patient care, but it needs smart planning and continuous management to meet the healthcare industry's high standards. Now, let's see an use case or maybe an example.
Welcome to an exciting new frontier in healthcare technology. We're talking about the integration of the Internet of Medical Things, IoMT, with ophthalmology. Imagine a world where eye examinations are conducted remotely using an OCT fundus camera. So how does this futuristic healthcare solution work? Let's dive in. Imagine a doctor, miles away from the hospital, getting ready to perform an eye examination. A joystick in hand, connected to a laptop, ready to take control. Meanwhile, at the hospital, a patient prepares for an OCT fundus eye scan. This is the stage for our innovative healthcare journey. The doctor moves the joystick, and the corresponding inputs appear on the laptop screen. This is where the magic begins. The joystick signals are converted into digital data, flowing seamlessly through the laptop's USB port. With the power of the Internet of Medical Things, or IoMT, this data is securely transmitted to the Azure IoT Hub. Imagine it as a digital post office where commands are sorted, processed, and dispatched to their destinations. In this case, the destination is a hospital device where the commands are received and interpreted. The device then sends these signals to the hardware mount kit, bringing to life the robotic arms of the OCT fundus camera. The arms, moving in all directions, are controlled with precision. They adjust the camera's position, ensuring an accurate and comprehensive eye examination. And just like that, the doctor, sitting miles away, is controlling the OCT fundus camera. With each movement, the camera captures images at an impressive speed. These images, 6 to 8 frames per second, are swiftly transferred to the connected device. This device, in turn, uploads the continuous image stream to Azure Blob Storage. In real time, the doctor can now see the images on their laptop screen. This is more than a technological feat. It's the future of healthcare. We're seeing time saving and efficiency skyrocket with remote operations. The implications are vast, with potential to revolutionize patient care. So here we are, standing at the cusp of a new era in healthcare, all thanks to IoMT and the power of remote operation.
Well, imagine using the power of internet to check our eyes with a test called optical coherence tomography, or in short OCT, anywhere, anytime in the world. Well, IOMT is making this real, linking small clinics to top eye doctors with just a click. It's fast, smart, and it brings expert eye care right to our doorstep. Let's welcome this change for better eye health. Now, according to the diagram here, let's discuss in detail about the transformative impact of IOMT on eye healthcare, particularly through the use of OCT, here powered by Azure Platform as a Service. So we can see with the simple steps, like it starts the journey with a doctor. Now the doctor uses a joystick to control the OCT device first. This is our starting point, as I said, where the patient's eye images are captured in the other end. These images are then directly sent to a Windows laptop or maybe an embedded device here, which is our local component in this setup. From the laptop or maybe the embedded device, the data begins its journey to the cloud, specifically to the Azure IoT Hub. This is a crucial step because it ensures that the captured images are transmitted securely and efficiently at the same time. Once in the Azure cloud, two things will happen. Azure Active Directory provides secure access to this data, ensuring that only authorized personnel can view or process it. Simultaneously, the Azure function, acting as a consumer here, takes these images and stores them in Azure Blob Storage. This is our reliable, scalable cloud solution that holds the entire data. Throughout this process, data flows are meticulously managed. Well, the joystick movements, the image stream from the OCT device, and the captured images by frame are all seamlessly integrated and processed through Azure robust cloud infrastructure. This system isn't just about advanced technology, it's about providing swift, secure, and accurate diagnosis process for eye patient everywhere in the world. With Azure Platform as a Service and IoMT, we are not only streamlining the diagnostic process but also enhancing the ability of healthcare providers to deliver top tier eye care. This is a leap forward in making healthcare more accessible and also efficient. Okay, let's conduct a poll. The question is, what is IoMT's top benefit in healthcare? Time already started. Okay, so 100% of the vote are actually going better monitoring. Yeah, okay, interesting. 50% also says more accessibility. Yeah, of course, both are correct. Actually, it saves time, saves the transfer or movement of each and every patient and as well as individual doctors. So, of course, better monitoring and more accessibility, both are correct. Let's move on to our next topic. So, which is advancement in artificial intelligence, mainly in healthcare industry. Well, artificial intelligence or AI is actually reshaping the field of medical imaging like X-rays, MRIs, etc. with smart algorithms that are improving the way we diagnose illness. The benefits of AI brings to patient care are huge. It helps find health problems early and give timely treatment, which can be life-saving. The benefits of AI driven diagnostic includes accuracy and consistency. Well, what does it mean? It gives a reliable level of analysis that's hard for human to match consistently. Other thing is efficiency and speed. AI's quick data processing shortens the time from screening to diagnosis. AI also making healthcare more accessible, like expanding access. Well, it can bring top-notch medical imaging to far-flung and less privileged areas. Other thing is improving healthcare equity. Well, AI helps to ensure everyone, no matter their background, gets the same quality of healthcare. AI also supports healthcare professional by supporting clinical decisions making. Like AI provides additional insights to back up healthcare workers' expertise. Other thing is saving time on patient care. With AI taking care of data, healthcare providers can spend more time with their patients, which is actually more engaging from patients' perspective. Finally, AI also focuses on patient-centric care, such as early intervention, which helps spot health problem early, which is key in managing chronic diseases mainly. Other thing is educating patients. AI help patients understand their health better, encouraging them to take care of themselves. Till now, since we discussed about OCT earlier, hence keeping things in mind, let's see an example where AI is helpful in detection of diabetic retinopathy, a serious eye condition affecting many of our diabetic patients. Let's see an example like previous.
In a world where diabetes is a relentless enemy, it's no secret that millions are caught in its grip, battling not just the disease itself but its many complications. One such complication, a silent thief of sight, is diabetic retinopathy, a condition that wreaks havoc on the delicate blood vessels in the eye, potentially leading to vision loss. The early detection of diabetic retinopathy is a critical step in preventing blindness. But here's the hitch. Traditional screening methods are often out of reach for those in remote areas or for those who simply have limited access to healthcare. The result? A ticking time bomb of undiagnosed and untreated diabetic retinopathy. But what if we could change that narrative? Enter the AI chip, a game-changing innovation that brings diabetic retinopathy screening right to the point of care, no matter where that may be. This AI-powered marvel doesn't just level the playing field, it completely transforms it. The AI chip harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to analyze images of the retina, pinpointing signs of diabetic retinopathy with remarkable accuracy. It's like having a specialist in your pocket. Quick, user-friendly, and not reliant on an internet connection, it's a tool designed for the real world and its myriad challenges. Imagine the possibilities, reaching those in remote areas who have been cut off from specialist care, easing the strain on healthcare systems by catching the disease early, and most importantly, preventing vision loss and enhancing the quality of life for millions living with diabetes. This isn't just about a piece of technology, it's about a vision for a better future. This AI chip is more than a solution, it's a revolution in diabetic retinopathy screening. Now is the time to harness the power of this innovative technology, to save sight and change lives. Support the use of the AI chip because everyone deserves the chance to see a brighter tomorrow.
With that being said, as you have seen, let us discuss about an innovative approach to taking diabetic retinopathy. Through the use of artificial intelligence, we are changing the game in early detection and management mainly. Well, imagine a patient walks into a clinic first. They undergo a simple scan with a fundus camera, which is designed to capture a clear image of the retina. This is our first step in the fight against diabetic retinopathy. Next, this images is sent to local computer. This could be a specialized embedded system or just a laptop running the necessary software. Here, where we bridge the gap between medical expertise and technological advancement. This computer, or mainly the device, which is the home of our AI engine. Using advanced algorithm crafted with tools like TensorFlow or even Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, the AI engine meticulously examines the retina image. It's searching for the telltale signs of diabetic retinopathy, subtle indicators that even more trained eyes might miss sometime. But the engine isn't working alone. It's powered by a comprehensive data model, the result of countless hours of research and learning. This model equips the AI with the knowledge of it needs to identify abnormalities in the images. Once the AI has done its job, the results are presented through a self-hosted API here. As you have seen in the diagram, this is a secure, efficient way for the data to be accessed by healthcare professionals who can then interpret the analysis and make informed decisions about the patient care. Finally, all the informations culminates in a generated report. This report can be printed right there in the clinic, giving the patient a tangible record for their retinal health that they can share their doctors for future action. Well, the entire process represents a fusion of healthcare and cutting edge technology. By utilizing AI in the detection of diabetic retinopathy, we are not just providing better healthcare, we are creating a more efficient and accurate system that can potentially save millions of eyes and improve the quality of life for patients everywhere. In conclusion, AI is more than just a tech trend. It's talking it's taking us toward a healthcare system that's more efficient, fair, and concerned around patients. Let's keep aiming to our AI to its fullest potential to make patient care better. Okay, let's conduct a poll again. So question is, how will AI impact healthcare? Okay, only 10 seconds left. Cool. So 100% vote goes to improved healthcare. Of course. Well, I am moving to our next step, which is blockchain. So let's talk about blockchain in healthcare. Think of a blockchain as a digital ledger, much like the accounting books in old times, but it's spread across many computers or even many nodes. Every transaction is recorded on every computer in the network, making it very transparent and hard to mess with. This means the data is very secure and cannot be changed once it is written down. Blockchain can help solve big issues in healthcare, like the scattered way patient data is currently stored worldwide. With blockchain, patient records can be easily and safely reached across various healthcare providers, ensuring better care. And because the data can't be altered, it's a very trustworthy way of keeping records, which is also super important for correct diagnosis and treatments. Like previous, now let's see a use case where we can fit the blockchain technology into healthcare domain.
Ever wondered how blockchain technology could revolutionize the healthcare industry? Blockchain, in simple terms, is a decentralized and secure way to store and share information. It's like a digital ledger that's transparent and tamper-proof. Now, imagine this technology applied to healthcare. It could potentially transform data management, patient care, supply chain operations, and more, making healthcare more efficient and reliable. Intrigued? Let's delve into a patient's journey to understand the practical benefits of blockchain in healthcare. Meet John. He's on a mission to manage his health records. Like many of us, John grapples with the traditional healthcare data management system. His health records are scattered across multiple platforms, making them difficult to access and share. But here's where blockchain technology comes in. Blockchain provides a unified, accessible, and interoperable health record system. It's like a digital ledger, maintaining the integrity and authenticity of John's data. Each piece of information about John's health is a block of data, linked in a chain to every other block. This chain can't be altered retrospectively, which means John's data stays secure and unaltered. And the best part? Blockchain enhances privacy. John gets to manage consent. He decides who gets to see his health data and when. Blockchain not only empowers John but also strengthens the entire healthcare ecosystem. Now let's shift our focus to the pharmaceutical supply chain. Today, the lack of transparency and traceability in the supply chain poses significant challenges. Counterfeit drugs and equipment slip through the cracks, putting patient safety at risk. Enter blockchain, a game changer for healthcare. By leveraging its decentralized and immutable nature, every transaction from manufacturer to patient can be recorded and verified. This brings an unprecedented level of traceability to drugs and medical equipment, minimizing the risk of counterfeits. Moreover, blockchain's transparency ensures compliance with regulatory standards, fostering trust in the healthcare ecosystem. The result? A safer, more efficient supply chain that benefits both providers and patients. With blockchain, healthcare providers can deliver quality care with confidence. Beyond records and supply chains, blockchain introduces the concept of smart contracts. These are self-executing agreements with the terms directly written into code. In healthcare, smart contracts can automate tedious processes, making life easier for both providers and patients. Imagine, for instance, a healthcare claim that processes itself, verifying treatments and payments with no need for middlemen. Or consider streamlined appointment scheduling and billing, with automated reminders and transparent costs. Smart contracts also open doors to exciting possibilities like data monetization and research collaboration. Patients could choose to share their anonymized data with researchers, driving medical innovation while being compensated for their contribution. Blockchain is set to redefine healthcare operations, making them more efficient, transparent, and patient-friendly. So, the potential of blockchain in healthcare is vast and transformative. It promises accessible, interoperable health records, transparent supply chains, and efficient operations through smart contracts. Blockchain technology is not just a trend, it's a key player in the future of healthcare.
Well, all set. Let's participate the last poll of today. So I am starting the poll. Question is, what is blockchain's key impact on healthcare? Great. The result shows 50-50 of better security and less fraud. Of course, both the things in the blockchain are crucial and well managed. Okay, let's move on to the next section. Let's talk about the transformative potential of blockchain technology in healthcare, particularly in the management of electronic health records or EHRs that I was talking about. This innovation is not just about going digital, it's about creating a patient centric system that prioritizes accessibility, integrity, and privacy. Imagine a healthcare landscape where our medical records are accessible across various hospitals, clinics, and specialists. Blockchain enables just that interoperable records that can be securely accessed by any authorized healthcare provider. This seamless access ensures that no matter where we are, our medical history is available to those who actually need it, facilitating the coordinated care and eliminating unnecessary delays and repeat procedures. Now let's focus about the integrity of our medical data. As mentioned earlier, blockchain's architecture is such that once information is written, it cannot be altered without detection. This immutable ledger means every entry in our health record, from diagnosis through to treatments, remains authentic and tamper proof. For medical professionals, this is really crucial as it provides a reliable foundation for accurate diagnosis and treatment plans. But what about privacy? Well, blockchain places the control firmly in our hands. We can manage consent, deciding who gets to see our records and who doesn't. This empowers us as patient, ensuring that our sensitive health information is shared on our teams. Enhanced privacy and consent management also means that we are more than a passive patient participant. We are an active guardian of our own health data. In essence, blockchain is revolutionizing how electronic health records are stored and shared. It's not just about keeping the data safe, it's about making healthcare more efficient, reliable, and patient focused. As we move forward, embracing this technology will lead to better health outcomes and greater sense of ownership and control over our patient health information. In wrapping up, blockchain offers a new way to manage healthcare data that's more efficient, secure, and put patient in the center. So, that is all for today. I hope you liked the content delivered today, as I was able to give you a brief insight into cloud computing trends mainly in the healthcare. We would be happy to help you with any of your product designs, development, prototyping, optimization, and troubleshooting. We use cutting edge technologies and tools for our work. Please note, a recorded version of this webinar will be available on our website in a week time from now. We will also send you an email with the link on your registered email ID to access this webinar. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.